Hello everyone, my name is Pun Pun. I would like to present the science project. The topic that I'm going to present in this video is how sugar factories deal with the ants. As we know that the ants are only type of insect that actually can eat any food in this world. But have you wondered how the sugar factories or chocolate factories deal with this problem, so we don't have ants in our food or snacks when it is sold?
Okay, hi guys, my name is Indy, so I think we should let's start where we're going to talk about. First, some factories that make a sugar from natural ingredients like from plant sweetness or fruit sweetness. But it is very common in Thailand that we use from plant sweetness, which is sugarcane. But there is another way to make a sugar by using a natural substance which is edible and also give a higher level of sweetness. By the way, after processing sugar, we must use heat. It is very important direct to our topic because if we talk about heat, this means like high temperature, and it will be hard for some kind of insects, small animals, and bacteria to reach the process of making sugar because it will burn them. And a lot of factories must deal with this problem very seriously because if they don't, it will be effect to their products because it will be lower the quality of the products if they let them reach the process, and it will affect the company and the customer must be like unhappy about the products that they received and buy it. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Nave. We also have to talk about the pollution that the factories were made of, like the water pollution, the air pollution, and the waste from harvested too. If they don't clean the waste before returning it into nature, it will be rotten, smell bad, and super dirty. It also produces a chemical reaction. Sometimes that's why some of people choose their location of the house far away from the factories.
There is a theory that says not every ant is interested in sugar, especially the pebble sugar or the rock crystal sugar. It doesn't seem like a potential food for some species. For example, fire ants see sugar solution as the object that they can eat. First, sugar has a smell. That's why ants can follow the right direction to find the food.
Second, ants can eat any solid because they have to carry the sugar to the nest for processing first. Third, ants have the smell sensory better than some animals than 4 to 5 times. They sense the smell by their feelings. They also leave the smell of themselves when they find food so the other ants can follow the right direction to the food. Now from all of the above, you can search the website in Google to read some more interesting facts about this topic. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and received new scientific information from us. Thank you.